Hello again, my wonderful students, and today we are going on a field trip. We're going nowhere specific, just here. Okay, I lost the bus track. I lost the map because it was in the bus, and then everyone else died, so I ate their insides. Anyway, we're on a field trip, so we're just gonna call it that. And welcome to the second episode of Harrison School Club. Anything can be food. So for our first lesson, we're going to show you that anything can be food. You see, I'm totally... I'm totally fine. Now we'll move on to our... second lesson after a magnolia leaf. See? It's protein. Oh my! Wait, no. I gotta prove it to you. It's protein. Look away! Is it safe for YouTube? I'll get demonetized. Anything can be trustworthy in the wild, like these wolves. Well, actually, they're dogs, but don't judge me. Hello, wolves. Do you think you would like to be... Okay. We're not friendly. Let me turn the light on. Okay. Those dogs, not friendly whatsoever. I don't know if they were friendly to begin with, but I'll meet you when I survive. So far, it's not looking too good. The Harrison School Club. Crap, they're back. Crap, they're coming. Alright. There's other parts of nature that are good. Like, ooh, back to these magnolia leaves. Not only magnolia leaves are great, they're also nature's cologne. See? Nature's cologne. Okay, so apparently magnolia leaves are not nature's cologne. But I think we've all learned an important lesson today. Nature is a wonderful place, no matter how many times bad stuff happens. So the moral of today, nature is a wonderful place. So, without further ado, that is it for Harrison School Club number 2. I will be making more of these. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe, and I will be living in the wild. Oh, flip. The wolves are back!